All right, guys, my client's about to come in and look at the floors for the first time. All right.
Can I walk
Come on in, Miss Kels.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
That's what you wanted?
That's what I wanted.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes.
That looks good. Wow.
It looks amazing.
It looks amazing.
It looks amazing. Everything I wanted, how I dreamt of it.
That's how you dreamed of it? What's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is February the 15th. I am out here on my first and only project of today. I'm out here in St.Marlo's Country Club. This is actually a new client, but she said, Courtney, I've been following you for years. And I ever knew, she said, I knew if I ever needed some wood floors done, I knew who to call. So actually, I went out this morning, guys, to Jefferson. One of my repeat clients, I used to clean their carpets. They also follow me and they see what I do. Well, I went out, gave them a consultation, and they scheduled their appointment for the 24th of this month. So I'm starting to book out that week, and we're going to be doing that job is going to be about 800 square feet, screen and recoat with UV cure. And then my sanding guy, well, my sanding network partner, not my guy, he's going to go do some lacing. They have a lot of boards that are have a lot of urine damage, so he's going to lace those boards out, and then I'm going to follow up and do the screen and recoat. So on this job, this is also screen and recoat with UV cure, almost close to 1,800 square feet. So let me flip this around and show you what we're doing. So again, we are in the St.Marlo's Country Club, which is out here in the Duluth area, and let's show you what we're doing. So guys, the floors are not bad condition. The client said, Courtney, why not get some good protection on these floors, because she does have 2 little dogs, before I get my stuff moved in on Monday. So show you guys what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing this area right here. Also, she's going to she had to put stuff in here, so we're just going to tape it off there. That's potty room. They're going to move the bed. They're going to slide the bed in here. And she just closed on this house this week, and I actually came out the day after the closing. Then we're going to be doing this huge family room, then in this kitchen around here, and around the island, beautiful kitchen, and then this little area they go to puppies. All right, guys, so you can see it, man. Just gonna get some good finish on this floor. I'm going with a semi-gloss RadCoat, and then I'm going to UV cure it. Oh man, yesterday was a long day. We did 2 projects yesterday, and they both were screen and recoats, also with UV cure. And then tomorrow, I'm going to be heading to Chattanooga to do a job. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we are cleaning, tacking right now, getting these floors nice and clean for new coating. Going to be doing a very minimum color correction, but you can just see how beautiful these floors. This actually look like the floor that we did last night in the luxury apartments out there in Buckhead. And I need to drop the key off on Monday, because actually I'm going to be doing a job Monday in Buckhead. All right, guys, we're going to get this clean and tack, and then we're going to do some color correction, get the coating down. I'm going to go ahead and start prepping the coating. RadCoat semi-gloss. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I just got back. I'm literally just walking in, and look at these floors. Wow. And that's what I use. Man, she's out in the car. I think she's having a message, not a message, a phone call with someone, but she is going to be ecstatic with these floors, man. Oh my God, look at this, guys. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Wow. All right, guys. I let Tavares leave early, so I'm gonna UV cure it. This floor looks amazing. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, guys, and also too, I actually got 2 referrals. I got one from another company that messed up a floor, a carpet cleaning company. I'm going to look at the lady's floors Monday, and I also had another lady that a real estate agent in Woodstock referred me to a client. She's moving out of a house and she want to get her floors done for showing purposes. So 2 consultations I just added next week. All right, guys, let me go ahead and get the UV cure machine in it and start getting this floor cured. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Floors have been screened, vacuum cleaned, little color correction, recoated with the RadCoat semi-gloss and UV cured. Client is ecstatic. She is loving the results. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. I am gonna go ahead in. It has been a great day today. And tomorrow, gonna be in Chattanooga, Tennessee, doing a job. And yeah, man, this floor came out amazing. Amazing. All right, turn it off. Amazing. All right, guys. See you in the next one.